And you're able to generate value. So one of the metrics that you really need to focus on is, what is my time to value? How quickly can I push value to the customer in front? I perceive the value, I see there is value in this experiment. I'm going to build an experiment, run it, and put it in front of the customer, generate that value and go back. How long would it take for you to do that in the organization? How long does it take for your team to do this? Start measuring this. How long does it take? Is it 3 hours? Is it 3 months? Is it 3 years? The shorter it is, the more innovative you will become, because you will be able to try more, experiment more. You can try small chunks, because you need to go in small chunks, improve, receive feedback, and go back again. So you start measuring time to value. The rate in which you are able to do that effectively. Remember, the whole journey that we do in IT and technology is about doing the time to value and delivering the value to customer. So innovation comes in many forms at many scales. The most radical and transformative are often those that empower others to unleash their dreams. And as you work on innovation, remember, it is not just your innovation that you want to deliver. You want to ensure that your innovation enables others to empower their dreams. Right? At an Amazon, what happens is we enable a marketplace set of players for them to pursue their dreams in life. At AWS, when we built AWS, do you think we had an idea an Uber can be built, an Airbnb can be built, a Pinterest can be built, or a Netflix can be built? Look at the hundreds of thousands of startups that run on us. All of them pursuing their dreams because of the underlying capability of what the platform offers, right? So think about it as an ecosystem of innovations that you will offer, very similar to the right path. So you have to allow to empower others and pursue their creativity and pursue their dreams, right?
Hello, AWS User Group Kochi. My name is Jeff Barr. I'm VP and Chief Evangelist for AWS. I really appreciate this opportunity to introduce your meeting. I'm a really big believer and longtime attendee at various tech user groups and meetups. I think it's a great way for you to learn and to connect. I really hope you have a great day today. I would encourage you to listen, to learn, to connect, see if you can make a new friend or two, see if you can pick up an idea for something new that you would like to experiment with or test out using AWS. And then make sure that once you go back to your desk and to your keyboard, that you actually follow through and connect with those people, build that sample, try something out that's new. Really think that this is a great way for you to spend a Saturday, and think you'll be well rewarded for the time investment that you make. Thank you again for the invitation. Have a wonderful meeting.
Hello everybody, this is Arun Gupta from AWS. I want to give my sincere congratulations to all the meetup leaders and to the entire Kochi community for this inaugural event. I know it takes a lot of time, effort and resources to build an event like this, particularly an inaugural one. So I'm glad you guys are able to put this together, and I'm really wishing you good luck for this event. 3 things I want to say. First is, the meetup has a little over 1,000 members at this point of time. We need to double that number soon. So make sure you go, give a hug to your meetup leaders, find out how you can double that number, spread the word basically. I want to convey my sincere congratulations and good luck for the event, and go give your meetup leader a hug if you really like the event. Thank you.
everybody. It was an amazing event today in Kochi to see the kind of enthusiasm, the engagement that we had from the developers and the community here. It's a very vibrant ecosystem. We see startups coming out of here. We see some amazing developers engaging and having a conversation around technology, having a conversation around patterns, and actually solving very innovative problems for the market in and around Kochi and the world. Right? Really thank you for the time today, and I'm very happy to have the conversation with you. Congrats to the Donation team who actually have put together this community and scaling this community forward. I'm planning to see and hoping to see a lot of products and services coming out of this group here. All the best, congrats, and hope to be here again.
My name is Thomas Brennicke. I'm the founder and president of Network Redux, based out of Portland, Oregon and Kochi, India. We provide managed cloud and managed Amazon Web Services to over 500 clients throughout the world. And we're here today with Sujit Mohan, our Executive Director of Global Services, and Philip Alex, our Business Development Representative.
Hi, we ended up as a sponsor for this event. We had a good group of our team actually being part of the meetup group AWS initially when it was made here. So we then actually Digis took over as a lead for the group, and we came to know that they are planning for a community day, the first community day in Cochin. So we had an opportunity to do the sponsorship, and we were really happy to do that. And it was like a stage for us to really showcase our services, as well as to have the good penetration into the local market. So yeah, that's how we ended up in being here, and the event was really well organized, and could meet up with a lot of team who's really enthusiastic on the AWS, and we look forward to have larger business meetings with different set of groups out here. So yeah, it was really great meeting out here.
Hey, hi all. Thank you for giving us an opportunity for presenting us Mindcurve in this AWS event. I really want to thank the organizers for providing us the opportunity. We, Mindcurve, as an organization, focus more on digital experience and cloud infrastructure for our customers. We are about 230 plus people working across 5 different locations, mainly in Europe, Germany, Spain, Netherlands, and in Kochi in India. So our focus has been cutting-edge technology, the best talent out here in Cochin, and we focus to do the best for our customers. Like what we have out here is a Panda robot. This is what we developed for one of our customers, and it gives a unique experience of digital experience along with IoT. And it does pretty much all these things with IoT as a background.
Glad to be here in Kochi for the first community day. My name is Ransi. I work as a cloud architect at Bridge I2I. I'm also the co-organizer of AWS User Group in Bangalore. Today I presented about building a full stack serverless website. It was a pretty good web session. Everyone loved it, I believe. Good turnout. Looking at the audience count also, it was like a full house. And I covered upon various AWS services that are required to basically build it up and running. About 8 services were covered. And I hope everyone has a very good community day, and looking at the crowd, I think it's going to be fabulous. Thank you.
I have been here for AWS Community Day Kochi, happening first time in Kochi. It was really great to connect with people over here, different streams of people from different streams of companies over here. And I just finished my first session over here for the day, which was I Am Everywhere. Happy to be part of Cochin. The organization and the stalls over here are pretty good. Happy
Good
about
morning,
being
Kochi. I'm really excited and happy to be part of first ever AWS Community Day organized in Kochi. Thanks to Dijesh, Abhilash, Sarika and the entire team for pulling up such a wonderful event. And in the first ever event itself, they had 2 tracks and also like workshops on serverless and SageMaker. It's really a great event, and this gives a very big opportunity to have speakers across the country and also even from outside to bring into Kerala and to have a huge conference.
Hi, this is Muthukumar. I'm from Chennai. I work for a company called Agilisium, based out of Los Angeles. We are a 300 plus company and an advanced consulting partner. We have areas of expertise on Redshift, EMR and QuickSight. Here is my session on CI/CD for chatbots on AWS. And about the event, it is pretty cool. I see a lot of interesting people finding a lot of areas interesting.
Hey, I'm Ashwin. I head DevOps at Zoomcar. At AWS Community Day, I think the talk that I gave about scaling Zoomcar to get 10,000 cars on the AWS cloud was really nice. And there are other talks as well, which are like I'm having a lot of fun attending and interacting with a lot of people. It's been great so far. Thanks.
Hey, I'm from Intuit. So we are a product development company, software product development company. So we develop 3 products: the TurboTax, QuickBooks, and Mint. TurboTax is for consumer tax, mainly used in US. QuickBooks is a small business ecosystem used for accounting solution, used for payroll, payment for the small business, and Mint is of course a personal finance one. And coming to this event, of course, Kochi is a nice place, a great place, all greenery around. I enjoy being in Kochi. And of course, we had one session. The response was super good. It's like sitting in India Coffee in Kerala, right? It's always crowded. If someone gets up, other one gets the seat. So the people are super engaged. I really enjoyed the session. And thanks Kochi for organizing this, and then thanks AWS for organizing at Kochi.
So my name is Mohan. I'm the co-founder and president of technology at HiFX. We've been into AWS consulting since 2010. It's almost like a decade of experience working on AWS. And today at the event, I was talking about the building a high data-centric platform, data analytics platform on AWS, wherein we also showcased a case study on how we did it and how we developed the same thing, and currently implemented for Malayalam Manorama. This event is being hosted for the first time in Kochi. I think it's a wonderful thing to come and showcase your experience working on AWS. You share your insights, share the best practices, and get people up on speed. So it was such a wonderful experience, and I believe the organizers really deserve a great round of applause for it.
Yeah. Hi, my name is Rushid. I am the co-founder and head of engineering at Confab, the ticketing platform for this AWS Community Day Kochi. And it's been a couple of years since I've started this development into serverless, and it has been wonderful. Confab is a event ticketing and hosting platform where you can discover events and buy and sell tickets. The AWS Community Day has been a really wonderful one. This is my first time in Kochi, and it's been more than welcoming. It's overwhelming to see such a big crowd, enthusiastic people, and like-minded people under one roof.
My name is Pranesh, and I work as Associate Director for Database and DevOps at MedLife. So MedLife is an e-pharma company which is one of actually the largest player in the market right now. So the talk that we gave today is about MedLife's journey on AWS. So basically we started very small, right from the scratch to whatever state that we are in right now. So we had a whole lot of challenges that we had to deal with as we grew. So the talk was all about action-packed in terms of the issues that we encountered and also the solutions for the same. So we are really excited to be here in Kochi to be part of this particular event. So given that this is the first edition of AWS Community Day here in Kochi, and the kind of response that we have got is right.
Hi, I'm Arvind. I work at Elastic as a developer advocate. I'm really glad to speak at AWS Community Day Kochi for the first time. I mean, I see the Kochi community grow beyond like 500 to 600 to 1,000 people today, and I look forward to start contributing to more of this community. Thank you, AWS Community Day organizers. And
so hello everyone. So I'm Jayesh Papua Hive. So I work as an AI researcher at Stanford AI Lab. I work as an associate for ETH Zurich and Tsinghua AI Lab in China. So I have my own startup in fintech, and I'm organizer for Pune AWS User Group, Elasticsearch User Group, and Twilio India community. So that is how I'm related to this Kochi community, and I came across this. This is the very first community day organized in Kochi, and it's very well organized, and it's a great event with a great speakers and all. So I'm enjoying my stay over here. Thank you.
Actually, a great opportunity for the techies in Kerala, especially for those who are working in Infopark and Technopark.
And first of all, thank you AWS for arranging this opportunity. And we get, even though we are using all the AWS services in daily work, we got an opportunity to look deeply into their services, and we also get an opportunity to meet and communicate with the leading architects and the technology giants in this market.
Hello all, we are from TKM College of Engineering, Kollam, and as an engineering graduate, it is a first opportunity for all of us to attend a program like this.
Hi, myself Suhail, I'm part of EY. So this is the first time I'm coming here for an AWS conference, and it's actually a pretty good experience. We get to know about the products that's there, and also the business experience as to what people have implemented and how it has been implemented, and the key takeaways and the key experiences that each and every industry has come to. So it's actually a pretty good experience being here.
So number one behavior is embracing risk. The morning Madhu talked about how Jeff Bezos took a decision to start AWS when all the people publicly against was the decision, right? So he started AWS. That was the risk we are taking. I think also you have heard about this Elon Musk, right? The SpaceX, Tesla, all kind of things. So they are also taking this relaunchable rockets. Now this idea is not a feasible idea, but they are trying to make it happen. So that is why enterprises taking risk only can go ahead. You have already examples like Nokia. So we have Kodak. All these things have moved out of industry because they were not able to take
Amazon Echo device. So yeah, we will actually try to print it out. Fingers crossed. Do we have Jojo here? Please a great round of applause, please.
I hope you guys are having a great informative day so far. Thank you for being here and making this event a grand success. In 2017, when we picked up this meetup group, it was hardly having around 300 meetup group members, and it was conducted hardly around 1 or 2 meetups. And from there, we started conducting regular meetups here in Kochi, and today we are the fastest growing meetup group in Kochi. We started conducting monthly meetups, hackathon for our next generation of products. We started conducting workshops, and today, for the first time in the history of Kochi IT industry, we are conducting this AWS Community Day. Okay, to start with my thanks note, I would like to start with you guys, the community members of AWS User Group Kochi. Thank you for being here, and thank you for being here. At the end, it's not a single man shop. I do have a strong team behind me. I would like to invite all my team members and thanks to all of you.